Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, your YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. For more elegance, more sophisticated designs, you look so amazing designs, and this video is all about the crochet neck warmer designs. Crochet neck warmer designs are so elegance ideas, elegance videos, and more stunning ideas. You look so amazing, you look so perfectly designed, and amazing gorgeous videos, amazing gorgeous ideas. Are you like our videos? If any videos related to more elegance ideas, more stunning videos, are amazing gorgeous videos, so I will more elegance videos, elegance ideas. May Allah keep loving, keep smiling, keep sharing in the same way. Ameen. You look so stunning, gorgeous videos. I hope so कि आप लोगों का ये टोटली नेकवर्क डिज़ाइन पसंद आ रहे होंगे. लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना है भी मत भूलिएगा, और इस तरह के अमेजिंग डिज़ाइंस को फॉलो करते रहा करें. शेयर भी करिएगा with all YouTube family, with all new subscribers, members. You look so elegance videos, elegance ideas. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegance, more stunning designs. Are you like our videos? If you guys are interested in my videos, I share more elegance videos. You look so gorgeous, you look so amazing. Are you like so stunning designs? And this video is all so gorgeous. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, your YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So